Kia Corporation has revealed the official images of the stunning all-new Sportage, an SUV that has been carefully crafted to inspire customers with its interior and exterior design. The exterior challenges design norms and moves the Sportage identity into the next generation while paying homage to its rich heritage. Tense and crisp lines ripple along the refined body, amplifying dramatic styling tensions. At the same time, clean but muscular surfaces join forces with intricate graphics to give the SUV a dynamic and assertive road presence. On the inside, a space has been created that is truly state-of-the-art, fusing high-tech sensibilities into contemporary style. The front of the all-new Sportage creates an instant impact and thought-provoking design statement with a detail-oriented black grille graphic stretching across the width of the face. Like an intricate web, the technical graphic pulls together the main frontal features of the all-new Sportage, crafting an imposing front volume. The elongated grille links Kia's modern signature Tiger nose grille that acts as the visual focal point of the car to the distinctive futuristic style boomerang-shaped DRLs, which in turn create solid boundary lines for the striking headlamps. At the rear, the all-new Sportage maintains its strong road presence with its powerful broad shoulders, allowing the SUV to personify strength and stability. The interior of the all-new Sportage plays with boldness in character, offering intuitive and innovative technology to create a driver-oriented space that is truly state-of-the-art. The cabin is dominated by a huge horizontal screen that houses the digital dashboard and the infotainment system. The vents for the climate control now have a three-dimensional effect. 2022 Kia Sportage also gets a new multifunctional steering wheel. The high-tech touchscreen pad along with the advanced integrated controller acts as the nerve center for driver and passenger connectivity, functionality, and usability needs. Both systems have been created to be easy to use, highly intuitive, and soft to touch. Kia has also replaced the traditional gear lever with a rotary gear selector inside the 2022 Sportage. The gear also has a selector of driving modes, the heating and ventilation controls of the seats. Further enhancing passenger convenience, at the rear of the driver and front passenger seats are integrated hanger-type designs with the slim headrest, allowing clothing and handbags to be easily and conveniently hooked into place. The all-new Sportage intelligent interior space is shrouded in a clever combination of practicality, functionality, and versatility. The all-new Sportage X-Line features a unique bumper, side sail, and curved roof rack. On the inside, customers can choose between a signature sage green or black seating, as well as bold quilting and black metal wood to further bring to the life the model's confident persona. Due for global market launch later this year, more information on the all-new Sportage will be made available in due course.